Diplomacy is not only about politics and policy, it's about people, culture, and the values we share. Culture is the living, breathing expression of a nation's identity. And this evening, we celebrate not only the rich culture heritage of Sri Lanka, but also the diverse cultures of our esteemed diplomatic community. Through the vibrant fashion, delectable food, captivating cultural performance, we experience the beauty and depth of these traditions. A heartfelt thank you to the diplomatic community for your generous participation, showcasing your unique cultures through your stalls, cultural events, and stunning fashion show. Your volunteer spirit and dedication have truly brought this event to life, creating an atmosphere of unity and mutual respect. Your contributions have not only enriched this evening but have also forwarded deeper understanding and shared value that bind us all together. We are deeply grateful for your support and for the joy you have brought to this extraordinary celebration of global culture. The participating brands, Buddhi Batiks, Kelly Felder, Celine, and Osuvastra, are more than just labels. They represent a fusion of our culture and heritage with forward-thinking practices that aim to protect both our planet and our future generations. This event does not only celebrating fashions and culture, but we also embracing the values and sustainability, eco-friendliness, and ethical fashion. Values that we are at the core of what we stand for as a society. I am deeply touched by the spirit of our unity and compassion that shines through this event. Our cause is to the MH Oma Liver Care Facility, a vital initiative that will offer life-changing medical care to children suffering from liver disease. The proceeds from this event will support this remarkable facility. It's a beautiful reminder that we can all make a meaningful difference when we combine our efforts for a greater good. What makes this event truly special is the collaboration between all of us, the designers, the diplomatic corps, the corporate partners, and the attendees who have come together to raise awareness and contribute to a noble cause. It's an honor to witness the coming together of so many distinguished individuals in support of an important cause. It is resounding impact of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Foreign Employment and Tourism. As we enjoy the beauty of tonight's cultural extravaganza, let us remember the larger purpose behind this gathering, the opportunity to support one another, to raise awareness, and to make differences in the lives of those who need it the most. Thank you very much.